We went over 50% for Virgin Galactic on Friday. You know why? Because we have this great news regarding the first commercial flight into the space. I think I'm gonna book my seat from now. However, where the price will go on Monday, where we should enter, are we gonna have another 50% or not, or we already missed the boat? So this is a really important level or important question to ask before trading any stock. And of course, we're gonna discuss those stocks live on our YouTube channel here, 3 p.m. CET tomorrow. And of course, before that, we're gonna do a Discord and pitch your update for those stocks for entry and exit for them. However, in the time being, right now, we have to discuss the support, breakout zone, entry, everything you want to know in order to make a good hunt with us. So Virgin Galactic have great news. However, we have something, which is this huge hidden seller. You know why? Because if we go in a big picture, in 2021, it was a space race. Many stocks pumped. Like before, we have the cannibal stocks pumped before, and of course, we have space stocks went higher. You look what happened here. We have a huge pump for space stocks. One of them is Virgin Galactic on 2020, then 2021, and then price died and then getting shorted. So you know what's happened? Even with this great news, a lot of people got caught buying there and even averaging down there. So after this huge pump, we have many people closing their trade, okay? Because it was one of the signal for them to exit, because the prices continue to go down, So every pump for those kind of stocks, we're gonna have a huge dump afterwards, not from the short sellers, but from people having huge bag in those stocks. So we have to be strategic. If we want to enter new, we have to know where we should exit. And plus, add to that, we have many bad earnings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you tell me this is still in the growth aspect or growth process for this stock, and we don't have to watch the earning. Yeah, you're right, because all the price that we see even in 2020, it was speculation. That's why the price was overpriced for this stock and went almost $50 and beyond. However, if we want to be strategic and know the price value for today or for tomorrow, in order to make money, we don't have to predict for after 10 years or 20 years. This is kind of investing, but here we have to discuss day trading. Even if the stock is still losing money or overvalued, we can actually make money during the day. This is called day trading. So for tomorrow, where we should enter and where we should have a signal for another squeeze, because the stock is not over yet. As long as we hold the current support, the $4.50, which is the current support, and break this resistance, watch out, guys. The $5.21 to be exact is our breakout zone for tomorrow. So if we broke this orange line, which is our breakout zone, we always put orange line, green line, and red line. If you're new here to our channel, we always make it simple visually to have insight about entry and exit. The red line is the support or stop loss. So if we hold here, it means we're gonna have accumulation, then retest the $5.20. After that, we're gonna have the squeeze and a pump. So the strategy is as follows. We could actually buy near this support, then when we break the $5.20, we're gonna have profit taken nearly the $6. So what I suggest, always take profit before the resistance. So this is called resistant and breakout zone. It's called resistant because we might have this test, we're not ready, we get rejected, and we might even break the support. So that's why I suggest to take always here profit and there profit. So if you don't want to take all your profit and feel FOMO after the price actually jump, it always happen, you just take 50% or 60% on this level, then the other on the second level. So we have the $5.90 as the first profit after we break the $5.21. Then we have the $6.48. After that, we have other levels. We're going to discuss them when we break those level first. So tomorrow in the pre-market will give us some indication for strength if we have a market gap. What does mean market gap? If the price went higher from this resistance and open here, will be a great Tuesday. Market makers start to buy this stock, and we might have another squeeze over 50% next week or this week for that matter. So watch out for a market gap over the $5.20, the strength, or below the $4.50 is mean a weakness, and I don't suggest to enter for this stock. We might have a continuation down. We're gonna do update, of course, for Branson Galactic, AI, and many stocks that ready to pump once again for tomorrow market. See you in the next update.